Hi guys! So today I'm back with my new video, and today we are gonna do the new challenge, the TNT chain reaction challenge. So basically the challenge is like हम लोगों ने काफ़ी सारे जो TNTs हैं हमने उन्हें एक लाइन में ऐसे रख के काफ़ी लंबी सी एक लाइन बना रखी है. So now the main challenge is that we have to see that if this chain reaction works and if all the TNTs explode. If all the TNTs doesn't explode, we'll try it again and again. And the block survival challenge I made the two parts. I was thinking about the third part, but I couldn't find more blocks to destroy, so I will not be making the third part. But see what destruction happened just because of the first and second part only. This all destruction of this part was just because of that, we can say, first part, and this all happened just because of the second part. So it's obvious that the second part made more destruction. Okay. So let's get started. So yep, here's the chain. I'll be exploding these. Okay, so let's just wait for the reaction. Oh, the chain reaction is working. Whoa. Oh, yes, the chain reaction worked. Okay, so let's just see. Oh, okay. So, wow. Oh, wait. It made a path for itself. See? It's just like a river. Okay, so if we want to make a human made or manual river, it's very easy to make it now. Okay, so I will be making it more longer now. Okay, so let's try it again. Oh no, so right now it's raining, but I'll try my best for the chain reaction to happen. Wow, it's working again. And I'm happy with the result. Let's keep this up. Whoa, this is gonna be long day. Whoa, the pigs, the cows, all are here. Oh, one of the TNT just exploded on its head, of the cow's head. Whoa, just see this path. It's just so enormous, large, and OMG. You can say this only. But I think the chain reaction stopped in the middle part only. You can see between the chain reaction, some TNTs got bounced off the race and they exploded somewhere else. Okay, so we'll be starting up from here. Some people said me about the second part of that block survival challenge. So they said me that that video was too small. So I was also thinking, before that comment, I was thinking that I will make this chain reaction video also a bit smaller, like just of 30 seconds. Then I thought I'm making a video here on YouTube, so it should be a bit longer. So let's just wait. It's just so fun to see things explode. Oh no. Oh, it didn't stop. I thought that the chain reaction stopped, but it didn't. Okay, so let's keep it up with the TNTs. Okay. It's so fun to just set up the TNTs and they'll get exploded by themselves. Okay, so those got stopped by themselves. So I think I'll be stopping here only. Here. Okay. So let's see this whole path. Whoa. Don't you think it's just too long? Or I'll say too long. Or it's really long. Yeah, it is long. And I especially made this world for just this all explosion and destroying work. Okay, so this was my video for today. Next time I'll be making a new video. You can tell me up to make the video on which challenge. By the time I will find new challenges and see if some of them are that much exciting to make. So bye for now. I will see you next time. Bye.